Hi Gian and Ashi, good day, and also I'm doing this video dahil birthday ni Gian. I wish him a happy birthday and all the best, and may all your dreams come true, and enjoy the party. See you again guys, bye!
Happy birthday, Gian. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Gi!
Hello tol, Gian, happy birthday. Birthday mo na naman. Lagi ka na lang nagbe-birthday Hindi na tapos Tanda mo na tol more birthdays to come tol. Tapos mag-ingat kayo lagi dyan. Kayo lahat dyan ng pamilya. Kita-kits tayo soon. I miss you. At mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. At huwag ka nang mambabae. Enjoy your birthday. I love you.
Happy birthday, Kuya Jan. God bless. Ingat kayo palagi dyan. Sana matupad yung mga pangarap nyo para tuloy-tuloy ng ganda ng buhay nyo. Basta mag-ingat kayo palagi. Tsaka magpataba na ulit kayo. Happy birthday ulit, Kuya.
Love you.
Love you.
Tulgian, happy birthday. Ingat ka palagi dyan. Huwag ka nang mababaya. Bayawak lang malakas.
Hi Gian! Happy birthday! I hope na alala mo pa rin kami, si Angel and Louie. So, thank you so much for having us dyan sa Ontario. Nagbumisita kami and very masarap yung gimbap na ginawa mo. Wish ko for you is good health, of course. At syempre, yung fulfillment ng greatest wish ni Ash. Nakita ko naman yun, very love each other. So, yun. Sana ma-meet namin kayo dito in Nova Scotia. Welcome kayo sa amin.
Sana magkita-kita ulit tayo, guys. And again, Gian, happy birthday! Stay safe!
Bye!
Hi, Gian. Happy birthday! Sana may little Gian and little Ash na soon. Very, very soon. Ang hirap. Natatawa ko sa sarili ko. Hindi ko alam kung ano sasabihin ko. Basta, happy birthday. Sana magkita na tayo ulit soon. Happy birthday!
Hey, G! Maligayang bati sa iyong kaarawan, brother. Kapit lang, malapit na. Andyan na yung liwanag. All the best sa inyong dalawa ni Ash. Love you, brother. Happy birthday.
Gian, I wish you a very happy birthday and a healthy and happy year ahead. And many years ahead. Okay. Bye for now.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Insan, Gian, happy birthday. More birthdays to come and enjoy your day. God bless. Happy birthday, G. Oh, inom mo na.
Happy birthday, G. Wish ko sa'yo sana matupad lahat ng mga pangarap mo sa buhay. Basta konting tiyaga lang, lahat ng mga pangarap mo ay magkakatotoo yan. More birthdays to come and good health. Happy birthday. Oh, barik na.
Happy birthday, Gian. Enjoy your special day. God bless you.
Bye.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday po, Tito Pogi.
Birthday, insan.
Happy birthday, Ninang Pogi. Love you po. Love you. Ingat kayo dyan.
Miss na kita, mama. Ayan, may babati pang isa. Bati na. Aray! Bait. Sabi ko, batiin mo lang. Oh, ayan. Sigurado tuwa ka na dun. Okay. Happy?
Birthday!
Happy birthday, Gian. Happy birthday, Gian. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Gian. Happy birthday, Gi.
Ay, ako ba? Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Gi. More blessings sa inyong dalawa ni Ash. We love you.
Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Kuya. I miss you. I love you.
Happy birthday po, kuya. Lagi po kayo mag-iingat dyan ni ate. We miss you. I love you po.
Hello, Gian. Happy birthday. Ingat ka palagi dyan. At sana maraming pang birthday ang darating sa'yo. Tara na, chat naman. Kailan kaya tayo kakasama ulit? Ingat dyan. We love you.
Ian, happy birthday. Wish you all the happiness and success in life. Alam ko naman na ma-deserve mo yan. At sana magkita-kita tayo. Yun lang ang talagang wini-wish ko, na magkita-kita tayong lahat. I love you. Bye-bye. Happy birthday again.
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, Kuya. Wishing you the best sa health, sa life niyo dan, and sa career. Good luck and pray lang lagi. And sana maging okay yung mga wishes nyo. And yung mga prayers nyo is maging matupad. Yan. Okay. We miss you and we love you and fight lang. Fight.
Yes.
Here's Mariel po. Say hi, Mariel. Yan, isang linis. Inaliguan namin siya para mag-greet sa inyo. Ha? Happy birthday! We miss you and we're here palagi. And yeah.
God bless always.
See you soon. God bless. Love you.
Hi, Kuya. Happy birthday. Love you. Ingat kayo lagi dyan. God bless. At saka sana maging okay na yung work mo and yung lamiyan nyo ni Ate Ash. Sana more birthdays to come. Ingat kayo. Miss you. Love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kuya Gian. We love you.
Miss you. Ingat lagi.
God bless.
Bye.
Happy birthday sa'yo, Gian. Yan, ingat kayo dyan. Alagaan mo ate ko mabuti. Bilis-bilisan yung gumawa ng baby. Excited na kami. Ingat kayo. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Like it's magnetic. Super ikalim. Like it's magnetic. Super ikalim.
Happy birthday, Tito Angit po. We wish you good health. I love you.
Happy birthday po, Tito Angit. Mag-ingat po kayo dyan sa Canada. We love you. Miss you. Choo-choo.
Happy birthday, Tito Angit. We love you.
We love you.
Happy birthday, Nina Angel. We love you. And stay safe and thank you for us, and we love you so much, and thank you for good health
and stay safe.
Happy birthday po. We wish you all the good blessings po. And thank you for taking care of us po. We love you and stay safe.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Mm.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to Janet.
I love you.
Hello, Gian. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday muli, Gian.
And you have many, many more birthdays to come. Hoping we can see you sometime next year. Come visit us.
Okay.
Bye. Love you. Okay.
Happy birthday, Kuya! We love you! Mag-ingat lagi! Yeah, we wish you enjoy your day. We love you, Kuya. Happy birthday, Papa! Happy to the day. Ano?
Happy birthday, Tito. Thanks for birthing Eska.
Miss na miss ka na namin pa. Another year for you. Ano?
Happy birthday, Tito. Sana ma-enjoy niyo po yung birthday niyo. And, feel like you've been a good father to your offsprings. And I hope you more years.
I hope you wag ikakat na lang.
I hope you have more birthdays to come po to celebrate with your loved ones and your family.
More years because we're still gonna celebrate all together. Miss ka na namin pa, miss namin luto mo, miss na namin Batangas with you and Tita Ash.
Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday.
Stay
Sana di ka mawalan ng lakas ng loob. Mag-survive dyan sa Canada. Thank you kasi we're still in your plans. Sana maging maganda na mga nangyayari dyan for you. Para sa atin lahat. We love you.
Happy birthday po.
Hi, Han. Happy birthday. Ang dami na nating pinagdaanan at ang dami pa nating pagdadaanan. Alam mo naman kung gaano kita ka-love. Nandito ako palagi para sa'yo. Proud na proud ako sa'yo sa lahat ng achievements mo, sa lahat ng ginagawa mo. And love na love ka namin, ng family ko, ng family mo, ng mga kids. Stay strong. I love you so much, Han. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Gian! Ulit, si Badak tumawa eh.
Angit. Oh, dali. Happy birthday. Dali. Happy birthday. Oh. Tito. Angit. I love you. Oh, harap ka ulit.
Happy birthday, Gian! Sabay na ba natin paggawa 2-3 Okay.
Oh, 1, 2, 3, go.
Happy birthday,
Oh, I love you. Oh, dito. Tingin dito sa camera. MJ. Oh, again. MJ.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Pizza Hut.
Dito, Angin. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Dito,